Imagine hurtling down the highway, wind in your hair and the thrill of the open road, only to be abruptly jolted back to reality by the harsh screech of failing brakes. Your heart races as you desperately stomp on the pedal, praying for a swift response. Recognizing the early warning signs of brake issues could be the difference between a smooth journey and a heart-stopping catastrophe. Signs to watch out for. 1. The silent screech. Brake pads wear down over time, leading to the dreaded metal-on-metal sound that resembles a silent scream. If your vehicle starts emitting a high-pitched noise when you apply the brakes, it's time to pay attention. Don't let the silence fool you. Your brakes might be crying for help. Pulling to the side. If your vehicle tends to pull to one side when you brake, it could indicate uneven brake pad wear or a misalignment issue. This subtle tug is your car's way of whispering, "I need some attention." 3. Spongy pedal sensation. A brake pedal should feel firm and responsive. If you notice a spongy or soft sensation when you press down, it could signal a brake fluid issue or air in the brake lines. Your brakes might be silently pleading for a fluid flush or a brake line bleed. 4. Warning lights. Modern vehicles are equipped with advanced brake warning systems. Don't ignore those dashboard warning lights. They're your car's way of shouting, "Emergency! Attend to my brakes!" Whether it's the ABS light or a brake system warning, heed the call promptly. 5. Grinding sensation. Feeling a grinding sensation when you brake is an unmistakable cry for help. This often indicates that the brake pads are worn down to the metal, jeopardizing your safety. Ignoring this sign could lead to more extensive and expensive repairs. In the world of automotive safety, ignorance is not bliss. Your brakes are the unsung heroes of your daily commute, silently working to keep you safe. Don't turn a blind eye to their cries for attention. If you've noticed any of these signs, it's time to take action. Stay ahead of potential brake issues by subscribing to our maintenance alerts. Receive timely reminders and expert advice to keep your brakes in top condition. Share the knowledge. Spread the word about brake safety. Share this video with friends and family because everyone deserves a safe journey. Don't miss out on crucial updates. Hit the notification bell to stay informed about the latest in vehicle maintenance and safety tips. Your brakes are the guardians of your journey, and recognizing their signals can prevent a potential disaster. Take a moment to listen to the subtle whispers of your vehicle. Subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell to ensure you're always one step ahead in keeping your brakes and your travels smooth and safe. Remember, the road ahead is only as secure as the brakes beneath you.